Alright, let's kicking things off with one of the most used products in the entire lash lift kit, the lash glue. You will notice it's always the biggest bottle in the entire set. Why? Because we use it a lot, like a lot. This little guy does double duty things. First to stick the lash rod onto the eyelid and then to glue the lashes onto the rod. Think of it like the foundations of a house. If it's not set right, everything built on top might shift. Now, here's where a lot of beginners go wrong. They don't use enough glue in the right places. You actually need glue on both sides, underneath the rod to anchor it on top of the lid, and then on top of the rod to keep the lashes in places. If you skip this or go too light-handed, the rod might pop off during the process, or worse, the lashes might lift or fall during the treatment. And when that happened, say goodbye to all the perfect curls. So yes, the glue is your MVP during the whole lash lift. And I always tell my students, don't be stingy with your lash glue. Next up, the lash comb. Here, I know it looks small and kind of basic, but trust me, it's one of your best friends during a lift. It's dropped to separate and align each lashes neatly on the rod. And if you have ever brushes your hair in a rush, it's all clumped together, and same thing happens with the lashes if you skip this step. There are reasons why it comes in every lash lift kit, and I will show you exactly how to use it like a pro in a demo videos. Now let's talk about 4 little bottles you will find in your lash lift kit. They are usually number 1 to 4, and yes, each one has a very different roles. Let's go through each of them one by one, and you will know exactly what each does. First up, bottle number 1. Now I know a lot of people think of it like the curling lotions, but surprisingly, it's not. Bottle number 1 is real job is to soften the natural lashes. Think of it like prepping your hair before a perm. It gently breaks down the structure just enough to reshape the lashes later. We will dive deeper into the chemistry of this in the next video, so hang tight for that. Bottle 2 here is where the real magic happens. It's your curl setting lotions. Once the lashes are softened and shaped around the rod, these solutions step in to lock the curl in place. You can think of it like hairspray for your lashes. If this part doesn't work well, the curl won't hold. So even the bottle number 1 did this job perfectly, you still need this one to seal the deal. After we have curled and locked everything in, it's time for you to show your lashes some love. Bottle number 3 is the Nourishing Lotions. It's hydrate, conditions the lashes, so it's kind of like applying a hair mask after blanching. It helps prevent the dryness, breakage, and keeps every lashes healthy post-treatment. And finally, we have the bottle 4. This is a clear liquid used for removing the leftover glues. I will use it at the end of the treatment to gently clean up any sticky residue on the lash line, eyelid, and on the rod. It's just a heads up though, it isn't mean to clean any lashes themselves, it's just to break down the glue. Okay, so real talk here, bottle number 4, it doesn't always get everything off. I actually have a secret trick that works way better for cleaning off the stubborn glue. It's quick, it's clean, and it doesn't mess up the lashes. But I will share it in the next video, so if you're curious, don't miss that.